My name is Marcella, and I am in North Carolina. I live on a small farm, about 3 acres, and I recently had 3 horses and now I have 2. I was looking for something that would help me with the manure. One person taking care of manure every day. It was fun for a little while. Everything's fun in the beginning. So I enjoyed coming out every morning for at least an hour with 2 horses, and sometimes coming back out in the evening and doing more, but that didn't last too long. So I started looking online, and that's when I found eventually the tow and collect. I would say before I had the tow and collect, I would spend at least an hour twice a day. So a good 2 hours cleaning up the pastures, you know, and this was for 2 horses. This was daily. Now I literally get my zero turn out. I come out here and I would say I spend 20 minutes in both my pastures, 20 minutes total, 2 days of manure. Using it is a breeze. It's very easy. It doesn't take a lot of muscle. Basically, I just hook it up and then I go to the manure pile and wind it and it drops the manure in the pile, and then I wind it again and the catcher closes and I drive off. It's a no-brainer. Yeah. I was impressed with how it worked. That was the main thing that I needed from it. But also, I think what I'm going to like about it in the future is that it's made very well. It's solid. It's a big, heavy piece of machinery. You know, I'm not an expert on equipment, but I can tell you that it's solid. I'm not having any problems with it, you know, and I'm not dainty around here when I'm cleaning things, so. It gets used well. It was a big purchase for me, but I decided that it's something important. When I actually decided to make the purchase, I called and spoke with the rep, the same rep who had been helping me, and she actually helped me to make the purchase on the telephone, which was nice for me, and the delivery was wonderful. Yeah, I am honestly trying to recall what I had to do to assemble it, and it was no issue. It was almost completely assembled. So it came to me and I basically just played with it to learn how to raise the catcher and lower the catcher and attach it to my zero turn, which was a breeze. Something I found surprising about it was that I do enjoy a bit of going out and just being outside in the morning. I enjoyed picking the pasture some. And I thought, well, I'm not going to be able to do that like 10 minutes that I enjoy before I get tired of doing it anymore. But the truth is, when I'm riding on the zero turn out here on these beautiful days, cleaning, it's really nice. So that's a treat. I did notice some dethatching, which was nice because I didn't know it was going to do that. So it was really nice that it was dethatching that dried up older grass. And I'm also happy to say that it's not getting clogged up going over my leaves, because I do have some leaves that get into the pasture. If anyone is interested in finding out about the tow and collect, talk to a representative and ask them specific questions about your property, and then you'll know if it's right for you. The best thing about my tow and collect is that I don't have to think about manure anymore. It's been wonderful for me, and I am very fortunate that I found it. And honestly, I would not have horses without it.